morning, junior kids. Once again, I welcome you all in yet another new class. Okay, and this is our EVS class, Environmental Studies. Okay, so last month we had learned about life under water. This whole month we are going to learn about yet another new concept, and that is the theme of the concept is we are connected. And in that theme, under this theme, we are going to learn about my country. That means this whole month we are going to learn about our country. So what is the name of our country, children? Do you know that? What is the name of our country? Our country name is India. Okay, this is our country. We live in India. That's why we are called Indians. Okay. So children, have you seen the Republic Day celebration and Independence Day celebration on the television? Yes? Okay, what is the purpose of that? Because India got freedom, that's why we celebrate Independence Day. Then India has got republic. Okay, the constitution was reformed in the year 1950. That's why we celebrate Republic Day. These both festivals are very, very important festivals of India. Okay, children. We live in our country. Okay, because we live in our house, and our house is our dear because our house protects us in all the way. Okay, our house is very safe to us. It is a safe place because we live in our house. In the same way, our country, India, is also a place that where we live very happily. We live in our own country very safely. Okay. And next, our country is like a big house with many rooms in them, and many rooms with families and individuals living in a community. Okay. There are big rooms that is called states, and there are small rooms in the big room that is called the towns or the cities. Okay, country is the place that gives us freedom. Our country is the place that gives us freedom to go anywhere in the country, do anything whatever we want, speak anything whatever we want in the country. Okay. When we are the citizen of a country, it is like we are in a team and we work together. Okay, like in our house, how we work together, we live together. In the same way, in our country, we are like a team and we work together. Okay, children. So this is the map of India. As you could see that this is the thick line of the India, and this is called the border. Okay, and these are the small parts that we see is called the states, and each border shows that this belongs to this state. This border is Tamil Nadu state's border, and this is Kerala state's border. Okay, so these are the border. But in India, we can go anywhere. We need not to take anyone's permission because we are the citizen of India. We can go anywhere in India. But if we need to step out of India to go to Pakistan or to go to China or to go to Nepal or Myanmar or Sri Lanka, we need to take the permission. Okay, we should not go to, we couldn't go to any other country out of India without taking the permission. As in school, if we want to go to other class, what do? We take the permission, isn't it? We take the permission and then we go to other classes. Okay, children. Now, who takes care of our house? It's our mama. Mama takes care of our house. Mama takes care of our needs. She fulfills our needs. In the same way, there are people who takes care of our country. Okay, as we have Deepa and Pratha ma'am. Okay, as they take care of our school, and there are different rooms which is being taken care of teachers. In the same way, our whole school is taken care of Deepa and Pratha ma'am. They are the principal administrative officer of this school. In the same way, our country, India, is taken care of by the president, who is Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Okay, I'll show you the picture of the president of India. Okay, so this is a picture of President of India, Mr. Ramnath Kovind. This is a picture of Ramnath Kovind, the President of India, and he is helped by the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. So this is a picture of Mr. Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India. See, this is also the picture of Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. How do we have classes in our school? So each classes have teachers. In the same way, our country India has also different classes, and they are called the states. Okay, and each state is taken care of by chief minister. All the states have their own chief minister, such as Andhra has their own chief minister, Bangalore has their own chief minister, Kerala has their own chief minister, Tamil Nadu has their own chief minister. So all the chief minister, they take care of their own state. As the teacher, we take care of our own class, they take care of their own state. Okay, and we live in Tamil Nadu. So do you know who is the chief minister of Tamil Nadu? Mr. Edappadi K. Palaniswamy. He is the chief minister of Tamil Nadu. We live in Tamil Nadu, so we should know that who is the chief minister of Tamil Nadu. Okay, so all these chief ministers, they take care of their own states. Okay, all these chief minister, they give advices to frame the policies of the country. Okay, children. So today we have learned about our own country. Our country is India. Our country is being ruled by president, who is being helped by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. There are different states in the country. Each state has their own chief minister, and this chief minister advises to frame the policies of the country. The president and the Prime Minister are elected by the people of India. Okay, children. So tell me, what is the name of our country? India. And who is the President of India? Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Okay, who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi. Who is the Chief Minister of India? Mr. Edappadi Palaniswamy. Okay, children, so do keep this everything in your mind, and this whole month what we are going to do is we are going to learn about our country, our national symbols, our national songs, everything that is related with our country. So parent, make sure that kids are watching the video, and you also teach them by this video also. Okay, let's do the worksheet. Now quickly take out your concept worksheet and open this page. Okay, this is the worksheet that we are going to do. Stick a map of your country. So what is the name of our country? India. So we need to stick the map of our country here. So for this, parent, you need to buy a map of India, either color map or the outline map. So I have a map here in my hand. So you can stick the map of India here. Okay, but the map will be little bigger. You stick here, and after that fold it into half like this. Okay, along with this we are going to do one more worksheet. Okay, what is that? Here, stick a picture of the Prime Minister and the President of your country. So here Prime Minister is given, here President is given. So we have to stick the picture of our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi here. We have to stick the picture of our President, Mr. Ramnath Kovind here. Okay, children, so do both the sticking work and take the picture of it and send it in group. But one more information I would like to give you in this video. Your parents, we request you all to buy some pictures for this month concept. Since we are learning about India, we need to buy the map of India, and after that Prime Minister and President of India, and then national symbols, all the national symbols we need to buy, national symbols of India, Indian monuments we need to buy, and kids have to take a photo of their photo in the traditional wear. Take the photo of your kid in a traditional wear, because we need to stick that photo in the worksheet also. Okay, so keep everything ready, because in further classes we are going to do activity with all this. Okay, so until I meet you in the next new day, it's your Nandi saying bye and take care.